Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see what you can do if your promo code isn't being applied on Grubhub. Now the preliminary fixes that you can do is, first of all, on your Grubhub you can refresh the application. You can also check your Wi-Fi connection. If the Wi-Fi connection is poor or if anything is interfering with it, sometimes it can result in an error due to which your promo code isn't working. So just make sure your internet connection is strong as well. Now, if none of these reasons apply to you, the first fix would be checking if your promo code is correct. What that means is that when you're entering the promo code, you might have made a spelling mistake, you might have entered it incorrectly. So what I'd recommend is you compare the promo code that you've entered on Grubhub with the actual promo code. Just check the spellings of both the promo codes, just check if they're the same. If they're not the same, if there's an error, if there's a spelling mistake, then fix that. That is most likely the reason that your Grubhub promo code is not working. If that's not the case, then the second thing could be that your promo code has expired. Of course, promo codes don't last forever, they're there for a limited period of time. So if you don't have the spelling issue, then the most likely reason is that your promo code has already expired and you need to wait until you get a new promo code for Grubhub. Now, the third and last reason for this could simply be that you didn't follow the terms and conditions for the promo code and you need to follow the correct terms and conditions. What that basically means is sometimes there could be price restrictions as well. For example, if you're getting a $10 discount from your Grubhub promotional code, what that could mean is that they could have a minimum spend of $20 or $25, for example. Let's say if you're spending $15, then that means that you're not adhering with the promo code terms and conditions. So just make sure that you're following the terms and conditions. You can simply just search up the promo code that you can have and you can search its terms and conditions on your web browser and just make sure that you follow those terms and conditions. And these are the possible issues and solutions why your promo code isn't working. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.